Station Master declares about heavy rain management system phase 2 has activated. Housekeeping Supervisor acknowledged the message from Station Master. Housekeeping Supervisor and his team reaches the storage room where rain readiness tools and equipment has kept, such as sandbags, box wall, plastic sheet, flat trolley, wiper, PPE, vacuum and etc. Housekeeping Supervisor briefs his team members about rain readiness. They gather all the supplies following manual handling procedure. After that they move to affected areas such as shelter. Placing plastic sheet on the floor as required quantity.
It is ready for rain readiness. Once rain stops, team will dismantle all the tools and equipment which was used at the beginning. After this they load all the tools, equipment and sandbags on the flat trolley and return back to storage room.